Koldiva rice. Rice. And how do we know that they have grown rice? Write this. Rice, remains of rice. Remains of rice and impressions of rice husk. Remains of rice husk embedded in burnt clay. Embedded in burnt clay. And also rice imprints on pottery. Rice imprints on pottery. Next, last point. They are familiar with both wild rice as well as cultivated rice. They know both wild rice as well as cultivated. Cultivated as well as this. Artifacts. Stone blades. Polished stone celt. Celt is very common thing in Neolithic, you often find. Celt means polished axe, stone axe. Then querns and mullers. These are used for grinding grains. Used for grinding. Used for grinding. And in addition to that, bone tools also. Last one, pottery is also there. Pottery, handmade. When it comes to color, plain red, black and red ware. You remember this particular term, black and red ware, often comes. When it comes to Harappa, do you know what is the special pottery of Harappans? That is black and red combination only. Black on red. You see the difference. Black and red ware is different. Black on red. So black on red means red color surface and with black designs. This is called black on red. But black and red means in some places you will find red color, in some places you will find black color. That is not properly, not fired properly. But this shows they fired it very properly and they know how to use black designs also very properly. So this shows more refinement. Plain red, black and red. When it comes to types of pottery, this is color wise. Storage jars, deep bowls, and cooking pottery, some pottery found with the soot marks. What does it mean? What is this? When we cook the food, on surface some black color, so that is called soot. From factories also, this soot deposits in the town areas, urban areas, the remains of burning. So black marks, simply black marks on the utensils, soot marks. So some pottery were identified with this soot mark. That means they used pottery for cooking. So this is what Koldiva. You mark Koldiva. You tell me, now you are seeing two. Which of that? Above one or below one? Above. Above is this one. And Koldiva. Allahabad, near Allahabad. Let me zoom it. Huh. Which one? Which site? What is the site name? Chopani Mando? Chopani Mando enters into Neolithic stage also. We are going to see that. This is Koldiva. Mahagara. This Koldiva is almost, to say, just a second. Next site. This Mahagara is close to Chopani Mando. If we zoom, both are near to boundary only. Both are close to boundary only. That is not Chopani Mando, Mahagara. That is other one. Chopani Mando enters Paleolithic, Mesolithic stage. So when it comes to, in this location, Mesolithic means Chopani Mando. When it comes to Neolithic, you write this one, Koldiva, you write. When it comes to Mahagara, whether you write it or not doesn't matter, when you have Koldiva already. So in the same location, simply in the same, whatever you said, that is right. In the same location where Chopani Mando is there, that is the place Koldiva also. Next one, Mahagara. With similar, with Maha, there is one place in Mesolithic. Do you remember? Mahadaha, Mesolithic. This is Mahagara. Even if you don't remember also doesn't matter. When it is Koldiva already there in the same location. Mahagara. This is Neolithic. When it comes to location, simply I say near Chopani Mando. Near Chopani Mando. Located on Belan Valley. These sites are Belan Valley sites. Belan Valley you might have heard. So these sites are on Belan Valley, Belan River. Keep writing. Houses. Houses. Post holes. Post holes associated with 20 huts. 20 huts. Bamboo impressions. So they are village, small village setup you are seeing. Bamboo impressions. It suggests they lived in wattle and daub structures. Wattle and daub. Artifacts. Stone blades. Stone blades. Celt. Quens. Mullers. Bone arrowheads. Terracotta beads. Terracotta beads. In Harappan sites, we will find all these things. Artifacts. Now, subsistence, this is specialty. Domestication of animals. So agriculture also, domestication of animals also. When it comes to domestication, a cattle pen was discovered. Do you know what do you mean by cattle pen? Cattle pen is a place. Morning they are taken for grazing, evening they are brought and they were tied to the knot and they will be placed in one particular place. All the cattle in a single place. Like 20, 30, even today also we will find all the goats in one structure, in one